In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add content with Block's Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, open the page you want to update inside Squarespace, then click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the page editor, where you can make layout and content changes directly on the screen. If you are working on an existing page, this is where you will add new elements or adjust the current design. Next, scroll to the section where you want your new content to appear. Take a moment to choose the right location, because blocks are added within a specific section. If the area you need does not exist yet, you can create a fresh canvas by clicking Add Section and then choosing Add Blank. This gives you an empty section to work with, which is useful when you want full control over the layout without any pre-built content already in place. Once you are in the section where you want to add something, click the Add Block button in the top left corner of that section. A menu will open and show the different types of content blocks available. For example, you may see options like text, image, button, or video. Choose the block that fits the kind of content you want to add. As soon as you click it, the block will appear directly on the grid inside that section. After the block has been added, you can position it exactly where you want by clicking and dragging it. This is one of the most useful parts of Fluid Engine, because it gives you a visual way to control the layout. As you move the block around, an underlying grid will appear. This grid helps you line things up neatly and keep your design organized. If you want to change the size or shape of the block, click on it and use the blue handles around its edges. Dragging those handles lets you resize the block so it better fits your layout. This is helpful when you want a wider text area, a taller image space, or a more balanced arrangement between multiple blocks in the same section. As you work, pay attention to spacing and alignment so the page feels clean and easy to read. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished the final layout looks. That covers everything you need to know.